Provides sturdy protection against shocks and impacts to a 35 inches hard drive. 35 hard drive case. 2-piece silicone hard drive protector sleeve. Fits most 35 desktop hard drives. 35 HDD case features removable end cap for interface, connector, protection. This 2-piece silicone hard drive protector sleeve provides a layer of sturdy protection against potential shock, impact damage for your 3. 5 inches hard drives. When enclosed with larger top portion of sleeve, they provide added stability and protection for 3. 5in. This stackable versatile hard drive sleeve also offers the flexibility to fit most uninstalled IDE and SATA, SAS3. 5 inches HDDs, featuring a tip cover that's specifically designed to protect the hard drive interface ports during transportation or stacking, but can be removed for installation. Top reviews from the United States. Works a treat. This is the third protector I have bought. They fit perfectly over the hard drives and the dust cover keep out the crap when they are not in use. I use mine for a slot in hard drive caddy and it's just a matter of removing the top cover and slotting them in. The cover covers all the exposed electronics on the drive and helps make it easy to remove them from the caddy due to being silicone. Highly recommended.